Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the cells or column you will alter. That prevents accidental edits. First actionable step, insert a helper column next to the data so you can keep originals. Once done, use the trim function to remove leading and trailing spaces. Type equals trim, A2, and press enter, then fill down. Make sure to check whether internal double spaces need removal as well, because trim keeps single spaces between words. Now handle internal and special spaces. Non-breaking spaces from web or copy-paste use char 160. You substitute around trim so you normalize edges first. For example equals substitute trim A2 char 160. If you need to squeeze multiple internal spaces to one, nest substitute to replace with, or use a formula that loops via iterative substitute calls. Once the helper column shows clean results, visually scan samples to confirm preservation of intended spacing. To finish, select the cleaned helper column, copy, then paste special right arrow values over the original cells so formulas are removed. After that, delete the helper column and save your workbook. If something went wrong, use code on a problematic character to reveal its code. Non-standard codes require substitute with that char value. Make sure to undo or restore your backup if batch replacement removed needed spacing, and reapply selective fixes as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.